Good everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to insert lines and shapes in Google Slides. This tutorial will be very straightforward, quick, and easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if this is your first time using Google Slides, you're a beginner or even a first timer, as I will be here to show you and guide you with a step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Now as you can see currently in my Google Slides file, I have here a bunch of shapes, lines right over here that we can even adjust as much as we want, and adding these is actually quite simple. Now if you're interested, we have already created a beginner's guide in Google Slides and other Google software, so you may check it out on our YouTube channel. We also have separate tutorials in our dedicated playlist that compiles all the tutorial for the Google softwares such as Google Docs, Sheets, and many more. Now let us start by opening our Google Slides file, which I have already done. And now as you can see right here, we have shapes and lines. Now here's another slide in which I am going to demonstrate it to you and how you can do it. And it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is to head over to the upper panel of your screen, in which you can see we have here the ribbon. And as you can see from the ribbon, we got the shapes and the lines icon. If I click on the line, it will change my cursor to a plus icon. And if I click and drag, it actually puts a line on it, as you can see. Now you can put the line anywhere you would like. Just click on it again to add another line, and as you can see, we can do it really easily. We can add another shape right here, like so. Now as you can see, the shape is completely black out, and if you want it to be transparent, all you have to do is that head over to the color section right over here and click on transparent. Click it once and it should be transparent now, and you can see what's behind it. Now you can add another shape. Let's say for example I want an arrow. Just click on that and click and drag to resize the arrow. Now if you have already done your shape and you would like to adjust it, worry no more, because you can do it by clicking on it. As you can see, you can move it around, you can resize it, and many more. As simple as that, we can add shapes and lines on our Google Slides file so that we can make it more appealing and more engaging. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.